There are several different reasons why your dog could be licking their lips more often than normal. Some of the causes are really serious. Hi, I'm veterinarian Dr. Alex, and my aim is to help you optimize your pet's health so they can live the full and happy life that they deserve. And there are a number of different reasons why dogs lick their lips. So the first and probably the most common that I come across in the vet clinic is dental disease. So dental disease is really painful, and a dog licking their lips is a way of trying to alleviate that pain. If we've got a sore tooth, we'll often find ourselves playing with that tooth with our tongue, and our dogs are no different. So dental disease absolutely causes a lot of pain. Even a dog who's eating well can still have significant dental disease. And one thing that I'll often say is that dogs and cats, they don't know that if their teeth hurt and they stop eating, they're going to be taken to the vet to fix their problem. All they know is that they need to eat to survive. So just imagine how painful they need to be to stop eating with advanced dental disease. We don't want to let it get left until that point that they stop eating. So how can we tell if a dog or a cat has dental disease? Well, the first thing you can do is lift up their lip and have a look. If you're seeing a lot of thick tartar, so that's those thick yellow browny deposits on the teeth, then there is a good chance that there is advanced dental disease present. It can, though, be quite difficult to tell because the disease can be hidden underneath that tartar, or actually we can get some situations where there isn't very much tartar, but there is a serious lesion underlying things. So the only way to be absolutely sure that a pet doesn't have advanced dental disease is under anaesthetic, to have them cleaned up and have the teeth probed. Clearly, though, if the teeth look completely clean, there's recently been a dental procedure carried out, then it's unlikely that that's going to be the case, and we need to look for other causes. So other causes of lip licking in dogs can include other oral lesions. So that could be masses in the mouth, tumours. It could be a foreign body, so a stick that's penetrated and got stuck at some point in the mouth. A common place would be actually in the top of the mouth, at the wedge between the back teeth. We'll often get sticks or bones wedged in that area that can cause lip licking. You'll also normally get kind of lots of salivation with that and rubbing their mouth as well, but that's not always the case. And then another reason for lip licking that involves the mouth can be lip fold dermatitis or lip fold pyoderma. So this is more common in breeds like the Cocker Spaniel, Bloodhound, St. Bernards, Shar-Peis, Neapolitan Mastiff, Bulldogs. Those dogs that have those folds, it's often in that bottom lip, kind of on the side of their mouth. And what happens here is that skin, it stays moist with saliva, and that causes inflammation and then infection of that tissue, which can be really irritating. And so your dog is again licking their lips. You'll often find that they rub their face in these situations as well, but not always. The next big cause of lip licking in dogs is nausea. So a dog who feels nauseous, who feels sick, is going to lick their lips. Now, they're not always actually vomiting or retching, but it could be that they're just a little bit nauseous. So don't take the fact that they're not vomiting as a sign that they're not feeling sick. Normally, dogs that are feeling nauseous, they're not going to have as good as an appetite as normal. So if your dog is eating really well, they've got a really good appetite, it's less likely that they're going to be nauseous. And other things that you might see are drooling as well. So when an animal feels nauseous, and it's the same with us, they start producing more saliva. So that can show up as your dog drooling more. And then the final big cause of lip licking in dogs is nerves and fear. So it's a behavioral sign that they could be experiencing these emotions. Other signs of fear, anxiety, and stress in dogs include looking at their ear and tail position. So is the ear flat against their head? Is their tail tucked under their body? Are they trembling a little bit? Are they pacing and not really settling? Are they trying to hide? Are their eyes wide open? So you're seeing a lot of the whites of their eyes. If those things are also the case, then it's likely that your dog is stressed, anxious, or fearful. Now, dental disease is a hugely common problem in dogs and cats, and a big reason why their quality of life is reduced. And I talk about it more in the free guide Pet Health Essentials on screen now. You can also check out my other video on screen about this topic. But until next time, I'm Dr. Alex. This is Our Pet's Health, because they're family.